Hello, welcome to Namen TV. I am Chukwemeka, the Unified Igbo's non-proponent. I am right here in Oguta. You can pronounce it as Oguta. And here is the Oguta Lake. You might be wondering why I'm here. They keep saying IGBO land is landlocked. IGBO land is landlocked. Come on, man. Is IGBO land really landlocked? Is IGBO land really landlocked? I am starting an expedition to discover truly if IGBO land is landlocked. This expedition is expected to take me through the rivers, the deep rivers that we can find in IGBO land. Starting from here, the Oguta Lake, the famous Oguta Lake. Very beautiful lake. We will assess the river Niger and we will assess the Azumini Blue River. I call it an expedition because it will be a very long one. We will trace all these rivers and find out how these waters can take us to the sea, in order to demystify the notion that IGBO land is landlocked. Join me on this expedition. Join me as we discover. Join me as we find out the truth about the IGBO land and the sea. A very important asset. To have a greater IGBO nation, a prosperous one, a greater IGBO nation in Nigeria, we must begin to find out our truth by ourselves. I volunteer myself to you. Follow me. Join me. Join my expedition. You can join by volunteering too, while we make this, while we go together, while we go on this expedition together. I am setting up a WhatsApp group where we will convey like minds who are enthusiasts about travels. Let's begin this expedition, trace these waters into the Atlantic Ocean, to the Gulf of Guinea. Join me. But before then, share this post, share this video, share it wide and far. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Namen TV. Follow me on Twitter, Namen TV. TikTok, Namen TV. And Instagram, Namen TV. I remain your own person, your own faithfully Chukwemeka. This is my contribution to humanity. This is my contribution to the greater IGBO nation. Thank you, and God bless.